Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Mazda Miata. First, let's establish the basic proportions. Start by drawing a long, low rectangle for the main body. Then, add 2 circles for the wheels, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Finally, sketch a gentle curve over the rectangle to represent the roofline and windshield. Now, let's refine the Miata's iconic shape. Gently curve the edges of your initial rectangle to create the sleek body. Add the distinctive oval headlights at the front and similar shapes for the taillights at the rear. Don't forget to sketch the door lines and the small, rounded side mirrors. Moving on to finer details, let's focus on the wheels. Add the inner circles for the rims and define the tires. Next, clearly draw the windshield and the side windows, giving depth to the cabin. Inside, lightly sketch the seats and the steering wheel to suggest the interior. For the final steps, carefully erase all your initial guidelines, leaving only the refined drawing. Now, add some light shading to give your Miata a 3-dimensional look, focusing on areas like under the car and around the wheel wells. Finally, go over your entire drawing with a slightly darker line to make it pop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.